How's everybody doing? Yeah, so we got going here is this is the third buck here. I got them all mounted up. Just in the drying process now. Turned out pretty good. It's got some battle scars here on the side of the face here. Gives them a little bit of character there. Yeah, this was shot during a rut too. And this is that second one, and it's just got to detail the eyes and you'll be ready to go. And the ears. Shine up the horns a little bit. But yeah, they turned out pretty good. And I got the pike in the background. Got another probably 10 days of drying on that, and then we'll go to town on that one and get that painted up. Alright, we'll see you next time.